Joe, I can't believe you accumulated all this stuff. Look at that. That's all deer heads wrapped in blankets. This stage right now, yeah, a little bit stressful. Yep, it's happening. That's always a nice way to start the day. Today is also the day the movers are going to start coming in and do some initial packing. So, whew, maybe this is for good luck. All right, and so it begins. Game on. Lots of stuff going on. This is just the basement. It's probably going to take the rest of the day here, but yep, it's happening. It's happening. I'm sure these guys are happy they're in here instead of whatever it is, 90 something already outside. All right, so we're upstairs now. Just starting to pack some of the fragile things. So we're getting there. Well, it definitely looks different. That's just they got little tables that they all set up their stuff with. A few things packed up. Everything's off the walls, including all of the deer heads. They're all boxed up. TV. Oh, they got my resin table with the flagstone. Yeah, lots of stuff everywhere. Joe, I can't believe you accumulated all this stuff. Look at that. That's all deer heads wrapped in blankets. That's where all those deer heads came from the barnwood wall and from that wall. I know they emptied out. Yeah, this whole thing was full. We are going to bring both washers and dryers. Joe's hunting room. Oh! Wow, Joe, I haven't seen it this cleaned out and organized since we built it, I think. All right, well, it's after 5 o'clock, day one. They got a little bit done upstairs here. There's boxes up here. It's definitely a little bit emptier. They have all my decorations that I had up on top of all the cabinets. They're all packed away. They did like the fragile stuff today. Next time, Monday, they're going to work on the closets and the bedrooms, pantry, and the kitchen for the dishes. That's it for today. You know, it's going to be one step at a time. Whew, one box at a time now. They're going to come back Monday and Tuesday, and hopefully Wednesday they're going to start loading, Wednesday and Thursday. And then Saturday is going to be the delivery date. All right, it is Sunday, July 14th, and yesterday is when the packers were here, just starting the first day of packing. I had some homework to do today, so one of the things was they're going to be working in the closets starting tomorrow. So I had to also take apart my computer, get that ready to be moved. They're going to be doing the bedroom closets. One of the things I needed to do was clean out the pantry. There's certain things that they can take and not take. So I sorted that all out and have a little sign there. She said to just put notes on things that are staying and going. But we are here when they're here. We are going to be back and forth quite a bit. So this stuff is going to stay here. So we have some dishes and a couple things to use. This was full of spices and cooking stuff like oils and whatever that they don't take. So that's all cleaned out. And then, like I said, just some notes that they wanted, just so they know what's coming and what's going. Well, pretty much every haul and every nook and cranny has stuff in it. This is stuff that is gonna stay and we're gonna bring. I did take down this coat rack that was up here that has Joe's 5 caps. This I just built, and it was put against the wall, but I'm going to take that and also that barnwood bench. So I am looking forward to some more progress. I'm really not looking forward to more boxes. If anybody knows me, this clutter, I know it's not clutter, but this stage right now, yeah, a little bit stressful. It's all part of the big process, right? All right, well, they will be back tomorrow, 9 o'clock for a full day. Catch up with you later.